Welcome to the in front of me Tecno Camon 18, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, with the simple touch on the power key button, I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. I just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.